likely. He was shooting flesh rounds. Alright, we need to move. You're welcome, by the way.
Thank you. Fucking dicks.
There was a third one down there, dude, and he was lining you up.
House behind cover.
He was looking dead at you. I shit you not. He probably knew where you was. He was just gonna wait for you to poke your head out and then shoot your ass. He didn't count on me being down there crouched behind a bush.
Trash ammo over here. A bunch of 5.5 though.